So this is Eric with Eric's Gear. I was just asked to make a new kind of table, TV table, that's based on the swivel. But this one, actually it's a TV stand, this one has a little bit of a riser because the person who wanted it has just a little bit of a lip to get over. So we talked a while over Etsy email, and we came up with what you see here. It has a 10-inch square base, 3/4 inch tall, made out of the same oak as this. In fact, I cut them out of the same board. So swivels nicely, and as a feature, as well as a requirement, all the bolts are hidden. There's this one access panel right here, and because of the hidden screws and all of that, I'm going to show you how to take this apart, do some maintenance, and replace the bearings if they ever go bad. So I'll go ahead and get to that. You're going to need a standard Phillips screwdriver, and to take it off you're going to want a drill, electric drill, cordless drill, whatever you want to call it, again with the Phillips bit. So this hole, I don't know if we'll be able to see it with the light. Aha, there. We swivel that around and that should have the screw right in the center. Let's see if that can, there, that's focused a lot better so you can see it. So we'll just keep going around and hit all 4 screws wherever we can find them, and we'll just take them out. Okay, that one's not coming out because it fell over. Okay, so now we have 2 that fell over and the last one here. And now it's pretty obvious just to take those out. So what we can do is we can squirt some WD-40 in there or some 3-in-1 oil to lube this up, or we can replace it if it gets too bad. These are made for a bunch of, as far as like steady force down, but for whatever reason they do tend to come dry. So I put some oil in there to help lube them up. But these will eventually fail. Who knows how long, but you know. And then here, there's a set in a diamond pattern so that you can set the bearing back or right in the center. So you can have a couple of different ways to get this set up however you want it to be. So I am going to go ahead and put this on. It was on in the center, now I'm going to put it on scooted back. And for this, I'm just using my finger to keep this on and get it into the correct spot. Now if you notice, I'm doing this by hand. I'll take it out with the screw gun, but since I don't want to strip anything out as I'm tightening it, I will do it by hand. So now we just have to find the hole in the bearing, and we can, as long as we kept it nice and loose, we can swivel this around and we can find that other hole in the wood so that we can, yep, there we go. You don't want to get it tight right now, you just want to get it snug, so I'm backing it out, and it will, as you saw earlier, this one was in there a little bit loose, but it's still swiveled, so I'll just go ahead and get these other ones in here. Nope. I thought I had that one tighter. There we go. And if you don't have these loose, that last one will be nearly impossible to find, because more than likely you'll have it offset in the wrong spot, tightened down, and it'll be a total bear. So the last one you can go ahead and tighten down, and then you can start going around to all of the other ones and just tighten those down as well. And then you have this offset. Not that hard, but I thought I'd make things real simple. So I hope this was something useful, and I hope you enjoyed it. See you later.